multimedia unit, MMB. Supposed to get Netflix, wireless CarPlay, which is what I've got it for, on a Sync 3 system and a Ford Tranny Connect. Let's see how this works. So you just plug it in your CarPlay USB. What's that in there? Ignition on. Let's get it booted up. Your Ford comes on. Let's see, this thing starts up straight away. There we have it. CarPlay, wireless, and then if you go to Ford, click that. There we have it. Netflix. Let's have a look at what this looks like. See if she plays. There we have it. Netflix in there.